Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to link Credit Karma to TurboTax. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To link your Credit Karma account to TurboTax for tax filing and financial insights, what you need to do is use the same Intuit account. So if you are using your Credit Karma, what you need to do is ensure you're using the same Intuit login credentials for both Credit Karma and TurboTax. If you signed up for Credit Karma after its acquisition by Intuit, your accounts may already be linked. Number 2 is log into TurboTax via the app or website. During the tax filing process, TurboTax may prompt you to connect to your Credit Karma account for tax insights or to import refund information. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Now, after filling your taxes through TurboTax, you can use Credit Karma's refund tracker to monitor your IRS refund status. This connection works seamlessly if both accounts are under the same login credentials. If you don't see the option to link accounts, ensure both accounts use the same email address. Check for updates to TurboTax or Credit Karma apps, and then contact TurboTax or Credit Karma support if needed. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.